International rap star Kanye West finally apologizes to his wife after going on a rant online about their private life. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details of this to come on the program.
Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us for Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. This is the place to be where you get local and international entertainment news. We ask you please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you're notified whenever we post new videos. So the rap sensation himself, Kanye West, has apologized to his wife Kim Kardashian after he shared some very provocative and also detailed information about their personal life online. This has not gone down well with social media as they have given him a fine ass whipping in the comments section. However, he took to his Instagram and Twitter account over the weekend just in order to give a tweet and also just in order to take the opportunity to apologize to his beautiful wife. Now, many fans are not really buying the apology based on the fact that he came out and he said some really derogatory things about his wife and also detailing some very vital information and also hanging some dirty laundries on the line, which many people are of the opinion are wondering whether or not this information that he presented to the public domain is actually true. So he took to his Twitter account over the weekend and hopped on and also apologized in the meantime for the 2 week rant that he went on about discussing about his wife and some personal details that only should have been kept in the relationship. So he states, I would like to apologize to my wife Kim for going public with something that was a private matter, he wrote. The rapper then went on to apologize some more, stating, I did not cover her like she has covered me. To Kim, I want to say I know I hurt you. Please forgive me. Thank you for always being there for me. So that was a post that Kanye did on his Twitter account over the weekend, just in order to take some time to reflect on the derogatory things that he stated about his wife Kim Kardashian some weeks ago. And a number of social media fans are not really having it based on the fact that these things are private matters and these should not have been brought into the public domain, especially on social media. It was just last week that Kim Kardashian had to came out and make a public statement based on the fact that she was becoming trouble based on some information that was released in the public domain. So Kim was forced to release a statement on West's mental health after he claimed that she was trying to lock him up. He also claimed that he tried to abort their baby daughter, Northwest, that hinted that something was initially wrong with the rapper. So many fans have stated that Kanye West need to get some help, and I hope that they do follow through on this in order to get some help for the rapper, because you don't know what information he'll put out there that will dampen the spirits of many fans of Kim Kardashian, and also his own fans right now are on edge based on his mental state. So it's a very difficult situation right now to deal with, and I hope that they just find some help for him before situation get really worse. So even at one point, Kanye West hinted that he believes that Kim Kardashian and Meek Mill had some level of intimacy allegedly, but West claimed he had been trying to get a divorce from Kim since that social meeting with Meek. So this has just been some of the things that has been circulating on social media as it relates to Kanye's West mental health and some of the derogatory things that he has been stating about his wife. However, the public is not really buying into his side of the story, and they are just hoping that he can get some help in the shortest possible time before situation get really worse. This has been Links 007 TV, and we're out for this one on Celebrity Scoop for today.